Hey guys, welcome to Bridie Bakes. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a gradient effect with your buttercream. This can work when you're doing from like a solid color through to white, or you can go from one color to another color as well. The first thing that I'm going to do today is take a little bit of my buttercream and pop some food gel in it and get a nice purple color. When you're doing a color to white gradient, you want to make sure that you've got lots of white, so more white than color. Because as we go, we'll be making it lighter, and to do that, we'll need more white. So popping a couple of drops of food color in there, depending on how dark you want to start with. So this will be my darkest color, and this will be starting at the bottom of my cake. Make sure it's all mixed in really well. You don't want any bits of white through it, but you also don't want any big blobs of unmixed color. Now that that is all mixed in, I'm going to apply that to the very bottom of my cake, and I just want to do a little bit all around the base of my cake. So I'll use my palette knife, get little bits at a time, and spread it around the base of my cake. It doesn't matter too much about having a neat edge, because we're kind of going to blend everything up a bit anyway. Now that we have that first color on, I'm going to pop a little bit of that color aside for if we need to do any touch-ups later on. And now I'm going to add some more white to whatever's left of that color, just to lighten it up a little bit. Still want to make sure that we keep plenty of white for doing the top half. So we'll mix that in again. So now we've got a nice in-between color between the dark purple and the light white. So scrape off my palette knife. And using the same technique, we just want to spread that over the middle section of the cake. Again, you don't have to be too perfect with it. And now that we've done that, we're going to cover the rest with our remaining white, including the top of the cake. So I like to start by spreading it around the top and try and kind of keep it so that it's going over the sides nice and evenly. And then you can spread that overhang around the sides. So that is the base of the cake done. You can see the three separate colors, but you can see that they are quite separate colors. And what we want is a nice smooth transition. So to get that, I like to take my palette knife and do kind of squiggles on the edge where the colors join. And this is just going to help those colors blend a bit more. Once you've done that, you can take your cake scraper and just ice it how you usually would. Now, you can see that there's quite a few holes and missing patches and stuff, and that's where it's come in really handy that we've kept our three separate colors. So we can fill in all those missing spots. Once you've filled it in, you can do some more squiggles if you need. Get your scraper again. And go around. And we're just gonna keep repeating that process until we get a nice smooth cake. Now I am fairly happy with how this has turned out. I'm just going to scrape up the top edges and then I'll be done. Make sure you're scraping your palette knife clean after each scrape. And the very last thing that I'm going to do just to clean it up is use my cake scraper and just get any little extra bits of buttercream that have gone down onto the board. You can also use a cloth or paper towel to clean that up, but I actually like to pop it in the fridge for a bit first so that I'm not knocking the icing, the nice smooth icing on my cake while I'm cleaning it up. So there we have our nice blended gradient cake. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit like and also subscribe to my channel for more cake videos.